Hi lady, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video I am going to show you and share to you how I edit my thumbnail and video to post on YouTube. So first I'm going to show you how I edit my thumbnail. So I am using PixArt apps, that one there. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. So that if you can see, if I'm going to do that, use this plus sign here. I'm gonna click that one, and then if you can see, we're in this all photos, but I'm going to scroll down, and if you can see this splash here, like arrow here, that one there, and then edit. Once I've edited that, I'm going to show you. I'm going to square fit, and then ratio, and then YouTube. Then I'm gonna apply it. If you can see the apply mode here, I'm gonna click that one there. Tapos then I'm gonna add a picture. So this one. So I'm gonna add that one here in the back, and then after that, if I decide, I'm gonna put that zoom in straight away. I'm gonna apply it first, and then I'm gonna add some text. Example, how to edit a thumbnail. That's it. This one. Next, we're here in how to edit thumbnails, and then you just choose what color here. Let's see, red. Scroll up or down, it's up to you, and you can choose here. See that? So let's read what's in here, and this app is really great. So apply, so I click the apply, and that's it. Then I want to save it, and save, and done. Okay, let's go to the photos, because I want to make sure thumbnail that I edited is there, so I can see it in here, which is this one. So that's good. This is very important, guys. If you want to see how I use it, this one here, the Imovie Apps one. So we're here in this Imovie Apps. So as you can see, I have this project that I've tried to edit and save. Now let's, you can see there are 3 here that you can choose. Video, project. But at this time I am going to click this plus here, and then you either trailer or movie, but because I want to edit some movie, I'm gonna click this one here. Now let's do this. Alright, you see this create movie here, you click that down there on the middle, and then this is, go to video, and then select something that I've already done earlier. So let's see, let's have a look at this one. So this is the video I did record earlier, and let's see, if I want to play it, I'll just click this one here on the middle.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
And if I want to stop, you just click back here, which is this arrow here. Alright, and if I want to cut my video to remove the something that I don't want to be included on my video. So I'll just scroll like this, and then let's cut it, or it's called a split here. Now it's already split, and if I choose if I choose something that I want to, you know, to be look sound FX off, or I choose this swipe. Let's see the swipe. See, and here I'll do the same thing, split, and then I'll put some something different again. Let's say this slide, and this is will happen. See, so that's your choice if what you like to choose. Next, I want to do the speed, so let's do the speed. If I want to speed it, speed it like 2 times, or do this, which is it makes, so if I speed, it will look nice. See, the sound has changed. Now if I want it to be slowed down, then the voice has changed. So let's do back the original one. See, it's just very easy. And then if I want to turn off the volume, I'll just click like this. Sorry. So if I want to turn off the volume, see, and then if I want to, so I'll just turn that back here, and then if I want to put title in it, I'll just click the title, and then choose what I see. If we choose this one, which is the focus, it says focus, I'm gonna type how to edit. So how to edit video, and click. This is just an example. If I put it in center, I just click the center, which is already in the center. If I put the middle, which is already on the middle. So see, this is a very easy, guys. Now if we'll just have a look, and let's play it back again.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
So to change the filter, which is the color on my video, I'll just choose this one, or that one, this one. So guys, it's really up to you which one you like. And then if you just leave it like that, for example, this white stuff here, just I'm gonna try on my video. Let's see.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
See, once you finish all the edit, all the things that you want to achieve on your video, then you're gonna add in audio, which is if you have iCloud, or you just import the music or sounds, it's up to you guys. But to me, I have the iCloud, which I already downloaded some songs, so I'm gonna use this one. This is my favorite. So it's added already, and then let's play back it.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
Then if I want the music on the background a little bit quieter, I'll just need to do this stuff, which is I'm gonna click that on the middle, and then you can see this one. So let's do the 71, and then let's,
And unfortunately guys, this is very important.
so once you have that everything, and then so that's very easy, guys. So once you have that, let's play back again.
To my channel.
See, that's just very easy, very handy, guys. I can recommend this. And also for example, guys, you've done everything, all the editing, your intro, and all the intro and the videos, then it's time for you to the work you have done is you save it, which is you're gonna click this done here, and then voila. So if you can see, there is something like that sign here, and this sign and that sign. So make sure that you click on the middle, which is that one, and then click save, and then you can see these three here, which is good. So it's gonna save, for example, and then exporting it, and then voila, you can watch that video and then download it on YouTube. That's it. So we'll just wait. This is just a temporary, guys, and then let's go back to the main, and then let's go to the photo, and then that's my thumbnail, and this is the video that I have created.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. And unfortunately, guys, this is very important.
So that's it, ladies. It's very easy to edit using this iMovie. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that bell button, and I'll see you on my next video, ladies. Bye.